Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create a very basic 3D door in AutoCAD. So first of all, check your drawing units, set your drawing units to architecture, press OK. Now create a rectangle 3 feet comma 7 feet. Now offset this rectangle 4 inches inside and select offset again. Now type 3 inches for distance and offset outside. Okay, now this is going to be casing of our door and this is frame of our door. Now we have to create panels inside this door, inside frame. Okay, we just created a line here and we are going to move it 2 feet and 6 inches. Okay, we made any mistake, like looks like. Type a line again, select move 2 feet and 6 inches again. Okay, select offset 4 inches. Now create a line, a vertical line from midpoint to midpoint. Offset this line 2 inches each side. Delete this line and trim remaining lines. Okay, now we have to extrude these rectangles, but before extruding we have to join these. We have to create boundaries. For that, type BO and click inside these rectangles, hit enter. Now I have to delete some lines so that we can reach polylines here. Okay, now we are going to select extrude command from 3D modeling tool panel. Select these rectangles, hit enter. Now it is asking for height, but we are going to type T to give it a taper angle. Type 55, hit enter. Now again it is asking for height. Now we have to specify height. For this, height should be like 0.75 inches. Now we have to create frame. Select press pull command and click inside frame to select this frame. Use orbit to get a good angle from this side. Okay, so we are going to give it height of 1.5 inches. And now we have to select top view, create some short lines here so that we can trim this rectangle from here. Okay, now we have to press pull again this casing, height of 6 inches. Now our door is almost ready. Okay, you can select colors for it. Okay, but now we have to create a lock and handle for it. Select a circle, create a circle here of any size, doesn't matter. So extrude this circle, asking for height, just specify like 2 inches or something. Now you will be able to see something like this. Okay, now select sphere command, select center, and specify appropriate radius or diameter to this handle. Okay, select top view again. Our door is ready. You can assign any color to this by going to properties. Okay, we already are in properties. Here we go, our door is ready. Thanks for watching.